In this episode, we are going to explore the fast train from Beijing South Railway Station to Tianjin. Treat this place like an airport and arrive early because they will require your passport, they're going to x-ray your bags, and there's a lot of different security measures going on. Here we are 1 hour before departure.
There's a lady screaming. There's a lot of people actually screaming. There's multiple voices. And I'm not schizophrenic. It's just the radios, the messages, everything is going wild here. So let me show you the station. Yep. Just a 360 view. I'm going to change it in a wee bit. I just got to keep an eye on my luggage. But let me show you around. So we will be spending 24 hours in Tianjin. Now that we have the train sorted out, the original plan was 36 hours or 30 hours, something like that. But 24 hours seems to be nice balance given the train situation, and it's only midweek, it is Wednesday, but the railway station is absolutely packed and busy. And you're gonna see more of that in a second. First, I need to find some food supplies because I'm starving. Nicola, how hungry are you? Not too bad? Is it KFC your favorite? Check out the options and get food. And then we're gonna catch the train in 30 minutes. 16:37. Yep. But on the positive side, look at the size of this building, and the security for this place was like an airport. So it is pretty tight and not that easy to get in. Multiple security checks, passport checks, but we have our tickets and we are ready to roll. Wait, there's a business class lounge. Okay, check in a few moments. That is the time board at the central station. We'll figure it out in a moment. 16:47, track 20. But right now, we're gonna go look for the business class lounge, which we have access to. All right, we're in the business class lounge. We're gonna go check out the food options. So as you can see over here, it says, "Welcome to Beijing Non-Railway Station," which is the South Beijing Station. So we're gonna find some things to eat and be mindful of the time as we have to leave in 15 minutes. All right, let's get some food. How long? When is the train, baby?
Probably like 30 minutes.
All right. We're on Nicola's schedule. See you in a moment. Now let me show you what exactly I booked. So when I booked the train, I had no idea what kind of seats I was getting, business class or just first class. But this is the actual train. This is Our Lady services, and we got in here. And this is the setup. It's Nicola, very happy. Lots of leg space. Reclining seats. This is going to be a very comfortable ride. 2F. We are ready to go. So yes, when I booked this ticket, I went from second class to first class, and there was some other option. I just said whatever. And all of this is for 50 euros for 3 people. And the business class lounge was really nice as well. No hot food, just lots of snacks. We refilled, and we are on our way to Tianjin in approximately 7 minutes. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and I tell you what, the aircon inside the train and early boarding is just a no-brainer. Paying the extra to get these privileges, because I saw a lot of people lining up. Like I mentioned, this station is super busy. So yeah, just invest in the highest class ticket there is for 50 euros, 3 people. It's not that expensive, and take it from there. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this ride, and I'll give you an update as we get closer to Tianjin. Peace out.
As we move further from Beijing and closer to Tianjin, I enjoyed the views. One of the perks of traveling in the daytime, you get to see quite a lot by train. Did I mention the onboard entertainment?
Oh God. Thank you.
Around 20 minutes out from Tianjin, our dancer decided she's gonna take a nap. And luckily the seats were very comfortable.
So we've been riding the Japanese fast trains before this, but this is the Chinese fast train all the way from Beijing to Tianjin in 30 minutes, which was really good. And the security lady telling me do not step past the yellow line. Security is very important. So we are now in Tianjin. Shashini, thank you. So yes, Shashini, 30 minutes. We're in Tianjin, which would have taken us 3 hours to drive. So this is great. Now we have to figure out, what do we have to figure out? Are you just advertising the drink, are you?
Wait, I'm how to walk now?
Yes.
Can take me.
Nope, we're gonna take a taxi. It's 3 kilometers away. All right. See you at the hotel. Unless I see something crazy on the way, then that's going to be on video. But see you shortly. So we've spent a lot of time in subways, traveling underground, climbing a lot of stairs. Nicola, how much stairs have we climbed on this trip so far? 1 million?
No, one because we're in Beijing.
All right. In Japan, I meant. All right, anyway, there's been a lot of stairs, and there was another set. Here we go, taxi station. Let's get to the hotel. The train stations here are super modern. All right, I'm in front of KFC, but there's a metro connected to this as well. It's very similar to Japan. It's a built-in mall, dining areas, car displays. There's so much happening here, and I will try to find a taxi stand or use Didi, whatever is easiest, and get to the hotel. But first we need to do a toilet break since I'm traveling with Nicola, who needs to do that. All right, see you in a moment. Tianjin Railway Station.
The roads, tunnels, whatever you want to call it, they look sketchy as hell coming out of the train station. Then there is the traffic. It is very unpredictable. You have cars going and not indicating, and then you also have scooters that are coming left, right, and also on the zebra lines. It is all happening in Tianjin. There's 2 train stations in Tianjin. There's the east and the main one. We arrived at the main one, and then it takes roughly 15 minutes to drive into the center of the city. And here we are, just outside a hotel that's overlooking this bridge. Tune into the next video where we'll check out Tianjin. This place seriously goes off at nighttime. Can't wait to show it to you.